Today we're showing you how to install the Warp 9 Altis Sigma bar mount and the locking steer nut. Not only will these allow you to run a headlight 1 1/8 bars, but it'll also relocate your screen, and we'll show you how to do that now. The first step is to remove everything on your handlebars. Next, grab a 6mm to remove these 4 bolts. Make sure you get your bars nearby. We'll be using the Warp 9 bars here, so we're also using the spacer. Next, you want to grab a 2.5mm Allen to remove this bolt right here. Same thing on the other side. Next, grab your screen and your screen mount, and you're going to want to slide one side on like this. You'll have the other side pre-mounted to the bar mount. Next, grab those screws that you removed from the side mount. You'll want to fasten the screen in with them. Then at your desired angle, you can tighten these lock nuts you have on the back. Next, you'll want to reinstall all of your handlebar accessories, and then you're done. To remove the stock steer nut, use a 31mm socket. Make sure your set screw is loosened on your Warp 9 steer nut. And screw it on. Then you'll want to torque this down to 20 pound-feet. Once this is torqued, you can tighten the set screw using the included Allen key. You shouldn't need to tighten it more than what you're capable of doing with the short side. And that's it.